Hello everyone, today I cook Vietnamese crab udon noodle soup. This is my favorite and the favorite of many people. And when we cook at home, we are at the max of quality. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. On this channel, I share with you everything I know, so please like, share my video, and subscribe. So to cook the crabs and get up on the smell possible, I put the shallot, white part of green onion, garlic, salt, pepper, fish sauce, and I add the crab. This crab I already clean. They are not very clean, so you need to very careful clean them using maybe brush. So I need to cook 10 minutes for them to be cooked. And for the broth, this broth will be thick. So I have my stock pot on with pork bones, mushrooms, radish, the daikon radish. And this is for the one serving. I took out enough for a bowl. So I put the 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch and 3 tablespoons of water. And it got thickened, you see. You boil it thickened. And that's it. Now we can put on presentation. Some udons, 2 crabs, some bones. I like to choose on bones. And sprinkle on ground black pepper. And you need to eat it with lime wash and chilies. The level of spiciness is up to you. You can add more or less. Now let's break down crabs. You see, when you cook at home, I said generous the amount of quality, because if you go eat in the store, they don't use much meat. Crab is expensive. You see how I get the meat out of them? You can use small fork to get them out, but I don't have it at the moment, so I use my hands. Okay, squeeze, slice, and enjoy. Thank you very much for watching my video. I see you soon. Please like, share my video, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. here.